Father in heaven. It is a very clear challenge to us that let our light shine. It means our testimony. That we should keep watch on it, guard it. The word watch is also synonymous to the word continuous attention. Continuous attention. Diba, pagka merong mga baby na katulad yan, pag sinabi natin, pag in-apply natin yung word na watch, hindi lang yung titignan, no? Hindi lang yung look out, but we should have a continuous attention. No? Kasi baby yan eh. No? At napakahalaga na yung bawat kilos niya ay tinitignan mo. Bakit umiiyak? No? Bakit tighay ng tighay? No? We give cautious attention. And iyon daw yung dapat. No? That we should have a continuous attention. This means to give careful and consistent attention even to the very detail of every event. Kaya nga po, di natin pinagsasawalang bahala yung mga signs sa nakikita natin ngayon. Kaya nga po, binibigay namin sa inyo ang mensahe ng Panginoon na tulad nito because there is no measurement here on earth that can measure yung pagdating ng Panginoon, the exactness of it. There is no sophisticated gadget, not even time, not even the calendar can give the exact day, the exact hour, the exact minute that the Lord will come. Kaya nga po, we are encouraged to be ready at all times. Readiness is an essential since we have a God who He promised to return. Katulad po ng bridegroom dito sa binasa nating story. He does not make any announcement of His return because it's part of God's perfect plan. It's part of His perfect plan. Now, to what we should keep watch till Christ return. Again, we should watch first our character. 2 Corinthians chapter 7, verse 1. We should watch our character as being mentioned in 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verse 1. Ganito po sinasabi. But since we have these promises, dear friends, let us purify ourselves from everything that contaminates body and spirit, perfecting holiness out of reverence for God. We should watch our character. We should be ready that our character is in tune with God. Second, watch your commitment with God. Watch your commitment with God. Romans chapter 12 verse 1. Ito po ay madalas nating binabasa. Therefore, I urge you, brothers, in view of God's mercy, to offer your bodies as living sacrifices, holy and pleasing to God. That is your spiritual act of worship. Do not conform any longer to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and prove what God's will is, His good, pleasing, and perfect will. It is our commitment to continuously watch yung ating iniisip. It is our commitment to renew our mind according sa will ng ating Panginoon. Letter C. Thirdly, we should watch our companions. In 2 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 17. Therefore, come out from them and be separate. Touch no unclean thing, and I will receive you. We should keep watch on first our associations. Sino ba yung ating mga kinakasalamuha? Don't be caught in a wrong crowd when Jesus comes. Be at the right crowd. Be at the right friends. Let's keep watch on that. Dahil sabi po sa Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 1, sabi po ng pinakamatalinong tao na nabuhay sa mundo sa Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 1 ay ganito: Remember your Creator in the days of your youth, before the days of trouble come, and the years approach, when you will say, I find no pleasure in them. Hindi lang ito pang youth. Sinasabi dito ay habang meron tayong sapat na kalakasan, ayos ang ating diwa, ay meron tayong pagkakataon to keep watch, to be ready for the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. Lastly, ano pa yung dapat nating paghandaan? We should keep watch on our relationship. We should have the right relationship to God. Kasi isa sa pinakamasaklap na words na maaari nating ma-receive, na maaaring ma-receive at marinig ng isang tao, ay yung sinasabi po dito sa Matthew chapter 7 verse 21 to 23. Not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven, but only he who does the will of my Father, for who is in heaven. Many will say to me on that day, Lord, Lord, did not we not prophesy in your name, and in your name drive out demons and perform many miracles? Then I will tell them plainly, I never knew you. Away from me, you evildoers. Dito sa ating binasa, dito sa chapter 25 ng Matthew, they were all servants. Titingnan po natin, they were all servants of the bridegroom. How come that in